Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a 512 to 2048 px square image so pixels match when tiled. Duplicate the base layer and lock the copy. This preserves originals. Next, apply an offset of 50% horizontally and vertically to push seams to the center. Once done, zoom to inspect edges and note repeating artifacts so you know what to target. Use a soft brush clone or content-aware patch on low opacity to blend harsh transitions. This gets you immediately into actionable editing. You now focus on seam correction with precise, iterative actions. Create a repair layer and paint with clone stamp or healing brush at 20 to 60% opacity to slowly build consistent texture. Make sure to sample from multiple nearby areas so you don't create repeating patterns. Vary brush size and angle. Use masks to hide corrections and toggle visibility to compare. Once satisfied with edge blending, apply subtle noise or blur to equalize grain and preserve original lighting cues. You finish by testing the texture in a tiled preview at actual scale. Examine at 1:1 and 2x zoom for repeats or seams. Apply light sharpening and add 1 to 3% noise to unify microdetail. Export lossless, PNG or TGA, and try it in the target engine or layout. If seams remain, go back, offset again, and redo targeted repairs. Alternatively, tweak tonal curves on specific zones. This targeted loop is the quickest fix when subtle mismatches persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.